This is Jenny, the TV bitch, and I'm going to be opening my Nocking Point Goods box up. Comes in a cardboard box. We've seen the captain open his already, so we already know what's inside. But I figured I'd just do a little review on the things that he didn't talk about. So, have fun. You can see the logo on the box, obviously. It's on the sides too. Open it up. Very nice quality box. It's not damaged at all, so it's shipped well. I live in Minnesota, so they made it all the way from Washington in one piece, which is good. Little explanation card. Recyclable packaging. Good job, guys, on that one. Let's see. This coffee is called Full City. And it's from Guatemala. It's fancy. Can't pronounce that word in Spanish. Second bag. Medium roast as well. And it's from Brazil and Bali. Interesting. Packaging. This is the water bottle, as we know from the captain's video. Ooh, it is aluminum, but it does have a spout on the top, which I like. And then there's assumably the straws in there. Oh, there's 2 straws even. Wow, this is a great water bottle. Nocking Point logo on the side. Coasters. I think I've emailed Drew like 3 times asking about the coasters, so I'm glad they're in the box this month. Made out of cork, easy to clean. This brand also makes other wine accessories, which I've learned from my place of employment, so yeah, they are a pretty well-known brand, so good job, guys. Wine Away, which is good for clothing. I hope carpeting. I have some stains that would benefit from this, so I'm looking forward to that. Let's see. Little bottle. Yeah. It's available in stores too, so. Yeah, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. If you want a closer look, the box is a good size. I guess I could reuse it for a hat box if I had a hat. Maybe there'll be a hat in next month's box. Who knows? Thanks for watching, and follow me on Twitter @TheTVBitch. Thanks.